How to replace a Numatic Henry motor with the code UDS1053SN with the compatible version made by Qualtex. These motors are suitable for all Henrys with a push-on-off switch and also those with a red rocker switch on the side if your Henry logo on the front is white. Now, this is what the motor looks like. It also comes with all these rings and things. Now, this is to fit on the ones with the rocker switch on the side. It all looks like this when it's together. But let's crack on with this one today, which is the push button version. We're going to undo all 7 screws from underneath. These are just cross-headed screws. Now remove the base like so, giving it a bit of a wiggle, and inside you'll see such a simple setup. It's just a motor and a switch. You need to take the ring from the base of the motor and then pull your motor out. We can remove the white wires that are connected. Just pull these off like so. And then there's this topper on the top. We need to reuse that on the new motor, so remove that too. Now grab your new motor and put the topper into these holes where these two things stick out. Once that's in place, we can connect the white wires, and it doesn't matter which order you get these two in. So one goes on the side where there's a single connector. And then oddly on the other side, there's 2 connectors. You need to put it in the right hand side one. Okay, so connect it to that one. Once you've done this, it's just a simple case of putting this motor in. Now this topper's got these rubber parts here, and they sit inside these parts inside the casing. Okay, so make sure that's fully lined up. You put it in top end first like so. Give it a wiggle and a turn, make sure it's in position. Now tuck your wires into the little channels in the plastic so you're not trapping them when you put the base back on. You'll need to get the rubber ring from your old motor and put it on the new one. And then grab the plastic base, and this fits so that part sits under the switch, okay? You'll see what I mean when you do it. It's a bit fiddly if it's your first time, but it does eventually just go on into position. And then all it is, a case of putting your screws back in. I put the 3 ones into the centre first so the motor's definitely secure, and obviously once you put all your screws in, check for any gaps. And that's it, your repair is complete. If you need to buy this motor, I'll put it on the description and on the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more Henry help videos like this next one.